Welcome to JH. Imagine a health product promising energy, focus, and natural wellness all wrapped inside a simple honey stick. The BetterAlt Himalayan Shilajit honey sticks immediately caught my eye because the combination of mineral-rich Shilajit and raw honey sounds like something pulled from ancient tradition, yet packaged for people who can't even remember where they left their car keys. I wanted to see if these sticks are actually worth adding to a daily routine, or if they're just another wellness trend designed to make your wallet lighter. The real selling point here is the Shilajit itself, a resin found in the Himalayan mountains. It's packed with fulvic acid, trace minerals, and antioxidants, essentially serving as nature's way of offering you some mountain goo for your health. It has been used for centuries in traditional wellness to boost stamina and aid recovery. When blended with raw honey, it becomes both more palatable and more bioavailable, because apparently, even ancient superfoods need a little sugar coating to be tolerated by the modern palate. In terms of effects, these sticks aren't like a caffeine shot that hits you like a freight train. Instead, you get a steady, clean energy boost that feels more like improved focus and reduced fatigue over time. Many users describe it as a gentle lift rather than a jolt, making it ideal for work, study, or a pre-workout for people who want to exercise without feeling like their heart is trying to escape their chest. It's the perfect alternative for those who are tired of the jitters and the inevitable midday crash that comes with artificial stimulants. Convenience is another huge factor here, as each stick is a pre-measured serving so you don't have to play chemist in your kitchen. You can keep a few in your desk, bag, or travel kit and use them anywhere, whether you're at the office or halfway up a hiking trail. Because they are individually sealed, they stay fresh and sanitary, which is a relief since sticky and portable usually end in a disaster. So, who are these BetterAlt honey sticks really for? They are for people who want an easy, natural way to support their energy levels without resorting to pills, powders, or synthetic boosters that taste like a chemistry lab. If you are into holistic health or just want a smarter alternative to those neon-colored energy drinks that probably double as industrial cleaner, these sticks hit a sweet spot. They bridge the gap between ancient tradition and modern convenience, making them a unique and worthwhile addition to your daily routine.